In this tutorial, we will see the details of the Create Meeting page and explore the different meeting types. To create a meeting, open the app launcher, type Meeting Create, and click on the page. Alternatively, go to the main meeting page and click the Create button. Once on the Meeting Create page, you'll see the page is divided into two panels: left panel, right panel. In the left panel, you have the following details to be filled to create a meeting. Enter the name and select the type of meeting. We will see what types are available and how to create them in the later part of the tutorial. Specify the start date and time for the meeting. Choose the appropriate time zone for the meeting. Enter the duration of the meeting. Enable the toggle if the meeting is recurring. Choose the recurrence frequency. Set a series end date to stop the recurrence. Enable the toggle if attendees need to confirm their participation. Specify the check-in deadline. Example 24 hours before the meeting. Add a meeting link for platforms like Zoom or Google Meet if required. In the right panel, you have the following options. Select a template if you want the meeting to be created based on a predefined structure. Add organizers for the meeting. Add attendees for the meeting. Enable toggles to add extra elements to the meeting. OKRs. Include user or team OKRs in the meeting, depending on the meeting type. For one-on-one meetings, user-specific OKRs will be added. For team meetings, team-level OKRs will be added. KPIs. Similar to OKRs, you can include user or team KPIs in the meeting. For one-on-one meetings, user-specific KPIs will be added. For team meetings, team-level KPIs will be added. Salesforce event. Automatically create a calendar event in Salesforce for the meeting. Now, let's explore meeting types and create a meeting for each type. Let's start by creating a one-on-one meeting. One-on-one meetings are recommended for one-to-one discussions between a manager and a team member. To create this type of meeting, enter the meeting name and choose the type as one-on-one. Then, fill in the other required details, such as the date, duration, organizer, and attendee. Remember, in a one-on-one meeting type, only one attendee can be added, but multiple organizers can be included. By enabling the OKR and KPI toggles, the attendees' OKRs and KPIs will automatically be added to the meeting. Once all the details are filled, click the Create Meeting button. The meeting is now created, and you can see the OKRs and KPIs added. You can also include other sections in the meeting based on your requirements. Next, let's create a coaching meeting. Coaching meetings are recommended for coaching an individual user. Enter the meeting name, choose the type as coaching, and fill in the other required details. Similar to the one-on-one type, you can add multiple organizers and only one attendee. Additionally, you can include one or more coaches along with the organizers and the attendee. By enabling the OKR and KPI toggles, the attendees' OKRs and KPIs will be automatically added to the meeting. Once all details are entered, click the Create button to create the coaching meeting. Now, let's create a team meeting. Team meetings are recommended for team discussions. Enter the meeting name, choose the type as Team Meeting, and fill in the other required details. Search for the team name in the team field, and once selected, the team manager will automatically be assigned as the organizer, with all team members added as attendees. You can modify the organizers and attendees as needed. By enabling the OKR and KPI toggles, the team's OKRs and KPIs will be automatically added to the meeting. Once everything is set, click the Create button to finalize the team meeting. Now, let's create a cluster meeting. Cluster meetings are recommended for cross-team discussions involving multiple teams. Enter the meeting name, choose the type as cluster, and fill in the required details. This is a flexible meeting type where you can add multiple teams, organizers, and users. For cluster meetings, team OKRs and user-specific OKRs can be included by enabling the OKR toggle. To add a user's OKRs to the meeting, ensure their name is added to the OKR user field. Once all details are entered, click the Create button to create the cluster meeting. Lastly, let's create a team coaching meeting. Team coaching meetings are recommended for coaching an entire team. Enter the meeting name, choose the type as Team Coaching, and fill in the required details, and search for a team name. Once the team is added, its manager will automatically be assigned as the organizer, and the team members will be added as attendees. You can modify the organizers and attendees as needed, and you also have the option to add one or more coaches in addition to the organizers and attendees. By enabling the OKR and KPI toggles, the team's OKRs and KPIs will automatically be added to the meeting. After filling in all the required details, click the Create button to finalize the team coaching meeting. Now that you are familiar with the Create Meeting page, the various meeting types, and their specific uses, you can confidently set up and manage meetings that suit your requirements.